Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In episode 3 of Excel Learning, I'll be sharing shortcut of using entire row and column as references. Let's begin. When you're working with formulas that deals with data in row or in a column at different times, it might be advantageous to refer to the entire row or to the entire column, and of course, you must know that your data well enough to know that what could be in that row or column. In this worksheet called row references, we would like to come up with an East total. Two cities are in East, Boston, that is in row number 5, and New York, that is in row number 13. So instead of writing equal sum, what we'll be doing, we will be clicking on Alt plus equals to, and then clicking on row number 5, comma, row number 13. It might seem strange, but it indicates that all the values of row number 5 and row number 13 are been included. Press enter to get the sum. Now, if you would like to cross-validate it, erase it, go to row number 5, click on control, go to row number 13, select it. Here we can find the sum of those in statistical bar, 31,500. Okay, so let's have it again. Alt enter. So let's have it again. Alt equals to row 5, comma, row 13, press enter. Now, for the next, let's calculate the value of Midwest total, where we will be including the cities Chicago and Cincinnati. Now let's consider the example of Midwest total. We will be including these two different cities. So for the same, now let's include the example of, let's have the sum of Midwest. So let's have a sum of Midwest total where we will be including two different cities, Chicago and Dallas. For the same, Alt plus equals to, click on Chicago, comma, click on Dallas, enter. Here we have the sum of them. Similar to them, we can fill the other states. Now let's move to column references. We can see that here we have an employee details where we have employee name, their building, department, hiring date, years of experience they have, benefits they are giving, their current salary, and job rating. We would like to have the sum of all the salaries which we provide so that we know how much salary is being paid to the employees. Let's have a sum. Go to the box, Alt plus equals to, click on column G, press enter. We have sum of salaries. Now, to find out the average of them, click on the cell equals to, write average, open bracket, click on column G, close it, press enter. We have average of the salaries. For finding the max salary equals to max, open bracket, click on column G, close it, press enter. Similar to that, let's calculate the min also. Column G, close it. So by using an entire column reference here, we simplify the creation of the formulas, and we also allow the capabilities of the data to change, expand or shrink. And we don't have to adjust these formulas. So there are valuable tools to simplify the look of the formulas and also their creation. Hope you really like my video. If you really like it, press the like button, share your opinions and views in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.